Hello, mommies and daddies in the house. Happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be making a sumptuous, yummy, special fried rice for you. Here I have my protein. For my protein, I'll be using turkey. It's nicely washed. I'll be garnishing with spices of my choice. Feel free to garnish with spices of your choice as well. Moments later, I'm going to be giving it a quick stir. Stir for everything to come together, nicely come together. Feel free to use any spices of your choice. It could be curry, it could be thyme, it could be parsley, it could be parsley flakes, it could be anything at all, rosemary. So after that, I stirred completely and cover the pot to simmer. Here I have my chicken breast nicely cut into tiny pieces. I'll be garnishing with my chili powder, some all-purpose seasoning, some bouillon, a little salt, and I'll be combining for everything to come together, and I'll be allowing it to marinate for about 40 minutes. While I set that aside, I'll go and check my protein, my turkey, and now it's nicely cooked. I'll proceed to fry in my oil. I'm frying on a medium heat. I will not be frying it to be completely dry. I don't have that seat to chew, guys. So I'll just be frying until it becomes just gold brown. I'll be scooping everything off the oil. Use my sieve to drain to get rid of all the chunks of meat inside the oil. And now I just use that same saucepan to fry my chicken breast without oil. I'll do this on a medium heat until it releases its own oil. In my pot, I already added my margarine, my cooking margarine, added some onion. Be generous with your onion when you're making special fried rice. It will elevate the taste to cloud nine, trust me. And here, what is fried rice without garlic and ginger paste or powder? I added my curry, I added my all-purpose seasoning, some bouillon to taste. And here I have my nicely washed basmati rice. I washed up to 4 to 5 times until the water ran very clear. And this is what we have here, guys. I'll be adding just about a teaspoon of salt. You don't want your fried rice to be salty, right? I'll be stirring for everything to come together nicely. And here I'll be going in with my stock. Oops, I didn't know I have one more left here. So I'll be testing to see that everything is nicely combined. I have my chopped scotch bonnet pepper. I'll stir and then cover the pot and cook until our rice becomes tender. In my pan, I added some ginger and garlic. Remember, fried rice without ginger and garlic, oh my god, you'll be making a whole lot of mistake. Here, I already prepped my carrot, my green, red, yellow bell pepper, set it in the freezer overnight. Yes, you want to prep your vegetables ahead of time. You don't want to be cooking at the same time and prepping your vegetable. Oh my god, you'll be so fagged out. So here in the same oil, I have my garlic paste. I'll be adding my carrot. I added my carrot first because carrot, of course, it's hard more than every other vegetable that I'll be using today. So I also added my sweet corn, added some salt, added our parsley and parsley flakes. Oh my god, I also added my sesame oil. Oh jeez, you're making a very big mistake if you're making fried rice without adding your sesame oil. Trust me, we learn every day. And I'll tell you for free that the sesame oil took my fried rice to cloud 13. Trust me. And here I have added my fried chicken breast. I'll stir for everything to incorporate together. And now our rice is ready. I have not made fried rice without adding my cabbage. Add your cabbage to your fried rice. Come back and thank me later. And this is the time for us to go in with our veggies, right? You want to fry your veggies on a high heat. You don't want them to release that moisture. You don't want them to sweat out its own moisture. If it does, it will not retain that crunchiness. So fry your veggies on a high heat for about just 2 to 3 minutes and get it off the heat so that your veggies will retain that crunchiness. Look at how fresh our veggies are looking. And lastly, I added my spring onion. Guys, I almost forgot that. Give it a final stir. And here we are, guys. Look at that food. Look at how sumptuous my plate looks. If you had to get rid of one thing from this plate, what could that be? Is it your salad? Is it your plantain? Is it a turkey or is it a fried rice? Let me know that in the comment section. See you again at Happy Mothering.